Guys, welcome back to the channel. Mind the sound here. Got the electrical going in this house, but I'm up here on the roof of that secret room, and I wanted to just show, thought this might be cool to bring to the channel. I wanted to show the thermal differences between a roof structure and a wall structure. You can see why they really push attic insulation over wall insulation. I got a really cool toy here. Got the FLIR C5. And if we show what's going on, the purple is the cooler part of the picture and the orange is the hotter part. And you can see there that the hottest part in this frame is 126 degrees. So as I go up here, you can see where my laser pointer is there, 121 degrees. So a lot of thermal transfer coming in from the roof over the walls. Now the walls are still 100 degrees, so we need to definitely insulate. But as we pan to the side here, you can see there's not much. It's still hot up here, there's no air conditioning on yet, but the majority of your heat gain is always in the roof. I mean, it's a no-brainer, but I just like to show this, show the camera on the channel. I got one of these to, as I insulate this room, I want to do some tests and give you guys some real-world test data so you can base it on how you insulate your spaces. Here's the side of the house. You can see it's all relatively way cooler until you go up here on the roof. That thing is just cooking. 128 degrees on the inside of the plywood. So obviously, so it recalibrates at its coldest points. Here's the bottom of the floor system that we have here, and this is directly on top of the attic. And this is 102 degrees. So the floor space considerably hotter than the wall space. So being that this room is sitting on top of an existing roof, it would definitely be intelligent to insulate the floor as well. So anyway, just thought this was a cool video to show the FLIR camera, thermal imaging, showing the, the differences between how hot and cool the wall space are. You can see out there too, the streets out there, it's picking up the street out there, and that's considerably hotter than this front wall. So it's all exactly what you think in your head. Hottest places up here. So definitely got to get some R30 up in here. What I'm planning on doing, just to let you guys in on some of the inside baseball here, is this is a 2x8, and I need to pad this down to get about 9.5 inches of thickness on it, so I can do a R30 bat up here. I don't want to put any spray foam in this house. I do not want a spray foam job gone bad in here. So old school is the way I'm going, but I'm going to go thick. So we got to get these up to R30 spec. Try to cut some of that heat gain down. So sorry for all the noise, guys. I appreciate you watching. If this video is cool, rate it, and I'll get you in the next one. Later.